Driving for CBR Wood Orchard, number 307, Colton Berns.
Yo, what's going on, guys? We're here with Mark Bishop here.
Yes, sir.
And we're at Crandon now, guys, so hopefully getting ready to start off this weekend right. Today we are setting up here, kind of like everybody, and tomorrow we go into practice, so hopefully that goes well. But yeah, so we're gonna set up, and then tomorrow we're gonna meet you guys and we'll go out for practice. I'm ready. We changed the engine over last night, got the new one in, and it's running strong. So I'm ready to get after it, and we'll see if we can get a podium today.
There you see the 11-time world champ Face Destiny about to throw another green flag. 1600 buggy off and running here in round 13. See who can get that advantage into Forest County Potawatomi turn 1. Looked like roll off the 319 got a really nice start, but it might be Bo Ambos leading the field into turn 1. Ambos and Seatbelt side by side.
Okay guys, so that was gonna complete day one here. Pretty much the final official kind of points race. I mean, tomorrow's the points race, but more importantly the world championship. Yeah, I would say the race went all right. Swapped motors last night from what was our hot motor to our backup. Backup motor ran better, I would say, but still not tuned up to perfection. Probably that motor was running around about 85%, which when you're out here at Crandon, everybody's giving it their all. That's not quite enough. But suspension was also very off in the front. Just the jumps got a lot bigger. Nothing on my crew guys, but just suspension was off. So basically what the plan is now is try and mess with this engine, get it tuned up right, lean it out a bit, and then also hopefully able to get some stiffer suspension and go into tomorrow with nothing to lose. So yeah, 5th place is a pretty good day. Not obviously the podium like we wanted or the win, but we stayed in the hunt and gave it our all. So tomorrow we'll come back out stronger than ever and see what we can do. But for now, I'm gonna wrap this segment up. I know this doesn't have a lot of vlogging in it, but for right now I'm just focusing on trying to get this car ready and get it competitive. So we're gonna move on now to Saturday, and then that's the World Championship day, and see if we can make something happen. I launched the barn jumped too far and landed flat, no suspension, and my back just collapsed under the pressure like really hard.
I'm gonna get you checked out, but I don't want to get you out until the medics get here, and just so you know what to expect, okay?
Yep.
Pop on in there.
Yeah, coming to see us, eh? Nice and easy. Come on up.
Watch your head there. It's not really
Yeah,
for tall people.
sorry. Nice and low. Gonna have you put your butt right there for me. All right, go ahead, keep your feet up. Yes.
R and S.
You know, I charge extra for the videotape of me.
Yeah.
Date of birth?
Let me do it.
10-14-04.
How are you feeling?
So tough luck, guys. So basically, just went in and got the scan done in my back with the X-ray machine. I have 6 broken vertebrae and 2 spine. Like my spine's basically in 2 pieces. So basically, guys, what you're gonna do is Venmo me at Colton Berns. Anything helps, and I will not be using that for my go-kart parts. Thank you, guys.
So how are you actually
Hi,
doing?
Steve, Robin, and Jada. I don't know how I'm doing because they won't give me my scans back, and I'm getting very hungry, guys. Please give me some McDonald's here. I might crash out. Have this brace on. Don't I look fancy, guys? So as you can tell, as I said, remember, Venmo me. It will go towards this, not the go-karts. I promise. Hi guys, it's an update from Colton. As you saw, I was in the hospital. It's about 2 weeks later and I'm just laying in my bed, like I have to do pretty much all the time now. But yeah, basically just to sum up kind of the injuries. So when I came off that jump, I compressed my spine and my back, so my spine and muscles are compressed, and then I broke my L2 vertebrae in my back, so just a back breakage, I guess, but oh no, not the worst that you could have. Definitely I was lucky, but very unfortunate for that, I guess, to get an injury here. But yeah, thank you guys for watching the whole season. You know, videos are very hard to produce, especially with my mowing business and then my videography business, along with spending time for go-karts and all that kind of stuff. So I know the videos might not have been as in-depth as years past, but yeah, I'm not sure. That might have been the last video that you'll ever watch of a buggy racing championship, at least in 1600 anyways. Currently I don't plan to run the buggy again, but I do want to race in Champ Offroad still, so ideally we'll heal up and go over everything with the team, see what works best. Maybe we'll come back in the buggy, or maybe we'll switch to a different class, or whatever happens. But yes, thank you guys for watching. Just gonna rest up here, and I should be back out in about a month or two. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later.